It's your girl Pretty Oma, the prankster. In this night, I decided to play a prank on my little cousin, this kid called prank that's been trending on all social media. And guess what? I ended up pranking the whole family. Watch till the end to see their reaction. It was worth it. It was worth what? It was worth the prank and my time. Come, let's go, guys. Come. Jesus. Just Manti. Sorry. Sorry.
Choma.
Sorry.
Choma.
She's doing a video.
I teach you the job we had.
I said this kind of thing when you are really
So, guys, my
when you are
auntie.
dying, nobody will visit you again.
Auntie, I'm sorry. Auntie, sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Jesus.
Come on,